back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be trying to recreate this makeup look. I will be having it on the screen. I found this on TikTok, and so I wanted to give it a try, and that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be attempting doing that, so I'm excited for that. I have all my stuff laid out. It's a mess, but it's laid out. Guess what? It's snowing. Super excited for that. I'm going to be using two palettes. I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance Anastasia palette, and then I'm going to be also using the Jaclyn Hill palette. So let's get started. So here I have all my brushes I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using a more round, like circular brush. Then I'm also going to be using this brush to make the angles of the heart. So let's get started, guys. So my palette's a little rusty, but it's okay. I'm gonna go in with the shade Raw Cyan. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. So make sure to conceal your eyelid first so it could have a base. So now I'm just going to start making a heart. And so here I have my other heart. This one looks a little rough too. So I finished fixing my little hearts, and this is how this one looks. This is how the other one looks. I'm gonna start making the little lines, and you're gonna want to make as many lines as you want, but I did see that they only did use 3 lines, so that's basically what I'm gonna do. So here I finished doing all the lines, so 3 lines that go and emphasize the heart from this side, and I'm gonna do the back from here too as well. And don't worry if it looks a little rough, because you're gonna go in and you could fix it, and then you're gonna want to blend it, and then we're gonna do our cut crease that we do, and then brown eyeliner. Me listening to Jenny Rivera, I'm gonna go into the other side and do the exact same thing. Here I'm just going to be blending the brown. So I'm currently in class, but the next thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go in with your e.l.f. I really do be paranoid that my mic is on and they're gonna hear me. So here I'm just going to fill in the little heart. I'm gonna do the same to the other side.
Everything clear?
Shut up.
Once you fill in your little heart with your concealer, you're going to want to go back in and emphasize it a little bit more if you made a mistake or went overboard like I did a little bit. I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette and use the color Certified. And you're simply just going to want to pat that color in your little heart. So this is how it looks so far. It looks pretty great. I'm super excited. I'm gonna go get a cookie because I'm starving. So I'm simply gonna go in with my e.l.f. and do a cut crease. Now I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be using the color G Money for my eyeliner. So I applied my lashes on. You guys can see this is how it looks. Child, I love it. It looks bomb as hell. Tell me not. Did you like it? She got neutered, I believe, like 4 days ago, but she got to be wearing that little comb thingy. So this is how it looks. I really love it. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And this is how it looks.